Hello lovely people, welcome to another video of InterDecco. Today I just want to welcome everybody who is a new subscriber watching our video for the first time, or people that have been coming since last month, or people who are interested to learn something about creating decorations and gifts for Valentine's Day. It's coming up very soon, in about a month's time, so please join me and have a look what ideas have I come up with to give you some inspiration to create your own handmade presents for Valentine's Day. So today we'll be looking or creating a couple of different experiences. So they will be mainly, again, in line with my personal ethos: recycling, repurposing, or reusing, or even discounted materials. So I've utilized all of the sales after the Christmas period, after the New Year period, and purchased reduced items of fabric, ribbons, chains, crafting materials and ideas, and I'm going to show you how I can make them into handmade and very inexpensive little presents for Valentine's Day. So we can start with one of those experiences, as you can see here. So we've got this already prepared necklace. Can be used as a bag charm, can be used as a necklace at the same time, so it's a dual purpose. So let me show you and get started how we're going to make this present first, and then we're going to show you a little bit of dolls, love hearts, little other key rings, little other decorations, but one at a time. Okay, so this is the first experience, or this is the first craft activity that we're going to present today. So I am making either a bag charm or a necklace, or even like a key ring. So what do we need to use for this particular experience? So what I've used here is a red craft material that I found on the sales, and I've cut it up in small strips. So the size, the length of the strip is actually 6 centimeters. So what I'm going to do with this, here we go, what I'm going to do with this is actually fold it and stitch it up on the end, so I can start threading with beads and create a necklace like this. So I will explain the whole process. Before I go any further, I can recommend for people, if they are not interested to use actual fabric, you can use even fabric ribbons. This one in particular is 4 centimeters in width, and you can do the same thing. You can fold it on a half and stitch it up on the actual end, and you can get the same way that you can fill it up with beads and create that particular covered necklace. So the choice is yours, either using this material or either use the white ribbon. Okay, so I'm going to put the white ribbon away for now. So, like I said, this ribbon, this material needs to be folded, and on the end I am just going to stitch it a little bit on the round corner, because when this ribbon is finished, when it's stitched up, need to be turned inside out. So this is the result that I've made on my sewing machine. So this is how it looks. Can you have a look? So I've attached a safety pin on the end, because the safety pin is going to help us to turn it upside down. So you can see that stitch all over, and these edges that are fried a little bit, it's not going to make much of a difference because they will be inside the thread. The length of the ribbon, or the filling, or the necklace that is going to be, can be of various lengths, but you can make it 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters. But bear in mind, if you make it too long, it might be a bit harder to turn it inside out. And also bear in mind that in between each threads we need to make a knot. Let's see what else is next. I'm just going to move these beads that are here that we're going to use. So the beads, the heart and the chain, I'm going to put them away for the time being so we can observe the process of work. So here we go. We start with this material. So with the safety pin, like I said, we need to turn it inside out. So we open the material like this. And start pushing with the safety pin. Like that. And I'm going to be patient with this part because it might take a while. So we keep going and we keep pulling on this side, keep going. We're continuing until we've come to the end of the ribbon. Here we go. This is the end, and pull from inside out. So this is how we got this long strip. Okay, we are going to undo the safety pin, and the safety pin is going to come off cleanly from the other side. Okay, so this is what we got. We're going to just tidy up this end a little bit better. Take it out. You just either with the pliers or with the needle or whichever way you want it. Okay, even with an iron on the end to look nice, will be okay. Okay, so you can iron it at this stage if you want to appear a little bit more neat and more clean, and that's what I usually do. So from this sewed up ribbon, this is what we get. So what is the next step? I'm going to take this away. So we've collected some wooden beads. The color doesn't really matter. For example, this is the red material. So if we want to make it like with red beads, that's fine. If we want to make it with dark beads, that's fine. You can choose the beads of the size that you want. So for example, to get started with the necklace, we are going to make a knot here first, just a simple knot. Okay, and after this knot here, through the necklace or through the ribbon that has been folded, we put the bead inside all the way to the knot. Okay, tie it one more time after the bead has found its place. You can make as strong or as weak as you want. Here we go. This is what happens now. We'll put another bead. Through again, another knot, and so on. We continue until we have fabric or until we used all of the beads that we want to the length that we desire. If you want really long necklace, you can just join two different ends and you can stitch it up and make a knot just in the place where the joining needs to happen. So looking at this process, this is what we got. I've used slightly larger beads here because the width of this ribbon that I've created, it's a little bit bigger. So this is what I got. So let me check how many beads did I put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm just going to go right in the middle of the beads, and I am going to use this glass heart. It's actually not glass, it's a heavy plastic, but doesn't really matter. And I am going to put a hook through it. There is a hole in it. Okay. And then I'm going to hook it up on the necklace. So here we go. And this is how it looks. So we're just going to remove the safety pin. So this is how it looks. Okay. So this can be used, like I said, as a bag charm. You can put it on the side of the bag. You can put it as a necklace. Okay. You can even use it, maybe you can use it on one side as a bracelet, depending what is your wish. Most likely I will be wearing mine for a bag charm. And this is the finished product. This is what we wanted to create. Thank you for watching this video.